Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. The mode doesn't really matter because we will open general options. However, I wanted to draw attention to this green line. I've applied it before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Then let's scroll all the way down to find Restore Defaults and tap on Restore to confirm. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the spiral is not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.